Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get discounted train tickets in Melbourne. So basically Melbourne is a city of Australia and I will be search on Google. So it will show me the public transport Victoria. So basically you will just purchase the Mikey Pass, which is also called the Mikey Money and Mikey card for traveling. So you will see if you have travel most days, you can save money with the Mikey Pass. To access the full benefits of your Mikey Pass, you will choose zone 1 to 15 and how many days you need. You can buy a Mikey Pass for 7 days or anywhere between 28 and 365 days. So you will see this is the weekend fares. So on weekend and public holidays, you daily Mikey money fare is capped at 7.60 dollars and half price for concessions. You can just enjoy all the day unlimited travel. So I will just attach this Mikey Pass card for the traveling. So if you live in Australia, you will just purchase this card and you will just fill and like top up the money in this pass, and you will just travel in Melbourne with the discounted train tickets on the weekends or and public holidays. So you will be just get concession of half price. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.